I love doing like, iba-ibang range ng trees. It's so fun. I could do this for like ilang days. Hindi ako makapagod or magsasawa. Should have added more orange. May babae po ba asawa ko? I don't know, girl. Why are you asking me? Ask your man. Why me? Nothing's gonna change my life for you. Look different inside you. How different? Like, different bad, different good. Ano all-time favorite band na gusto kong kinakanta? Yung kay Michael Pangilinan. Bakit ba ikaw? Kasi I like yung mga vibrato tsaka riff. Shoutout sa mga artists din na nanonood. Hello guys. May mga artists sa live ko. Short story po, how po nakabalik si Dave. Lumipad siya. Okay. Short story. Rainbow. Okay, I'm hungry. Nga, patulfo mo nga ako. Patulfo mo ako. For cloud. We can never really tell it all. No, no, no. Say hello to a lover or a friend. Sometimes we understand. And no, 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 no. Battle. Can't you see that what happens? Life goes on, and so, baby. Lahat ko na siya actually matapos. I think, hig ko na lang ng 1 hour. Bigla akong tinamad gawin yung warm side na part. Take a little chance, see the butterflies. Only at you, you. Death for place to be, even if there is, everything will be. For as long as the sun. Hey. What's your favorite group? Eclipse. Hey! Wala kayong narinig, guys. Ano ba? Ba? Buzzers. Joke lang. Cause oh, can you see that what happens? Life goes on, and so, baby, just my Make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little see the butterflies and see the birds dance. You. This is a place to be. Everything will be. Oh, yun ang run na yun. Babe, can you hear me? Kung ako si Jungkook, parang layo. I mean, Jungkook is very good looking. And I think I'm good looking too. Pero like, I think we have different aesthetics. I'm making apple pie. Joke. I'm making a painting. See the butterflies. They were sent to sing for me and you. Can you hear me? Pag ka ba na ikaw bask sa Eclipse? Of course. Ba't ako tututol dun? Can you hear me? Ooh. I like what I see. Okay, tapos ko na yung left side ng konti. Konti. There's a rainbow. Oh, 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 oh. Acrylics or water paint? I prefer watercolor kasi hindi siya makalat. I love Lisa. Ever since her Swalala cover, bias ko na siya. Back in love, just don't forget it. Maybe I'm wrong for writing this song. I love Daniel Caesar. We don't know how it goes. Don't want things to change. Kaysa pa yun yung smile to. Yung freaky. Freaky na movie na yun, guys. Own design ko to. Anong paint my... Hindi to paint my number. It's too freestyle to be paint my number. Ngipin ko, bakit? Ka-braces ako eh. And maybe I'm wrong for writing this song. Cause I'll be here so we won't know how it goes. Don't want things to change. Pray they stay the same. Always bring this way. I think I'm gonna add one more layer. Face always face. Try mo na mag-oil. Saka na, pag na-master ko na mag-acrylic siguro. Pero wait lang guys, I'm gonna end the live because I'm gonna eat. I'm starving na pala. Nakalimutan ko mag-lunch. Bye!